We are going to cover branch creation using the Jigit development panel. So we will cover branches created for Gitlab, Github, and Azure DevOps. So as we can see from the start, we have a very simple project with a simple test issue. So if we go to create a branch, the first thing to notice is that the target branch is currently listed as task/tpj-1_jigit_test_issue. Now this is the default setup, which will include the issue type, the Jira issue key, and the issue summary, as we can see here. Now you can manage this and change it so it defaults to your preferred naming convention. To do that, we will go to the Jigit plugin configuration under Managed Apps. Then we will go to the Settings tab, and from here we will go to Jigit Development, and then scroll down to New Branch Pattern. So you can see the setup here: issue type, issue key, issue summary. You can also see the placeholders you can use to suit this to your own naming convention. For the sake of this demonstration, we will just leave it as issue key, as the issue key is the main component you need for the connection between Jira and your development platform. So we will save our settings, and then we will go back to Jigit, and we will just have a quick refresh. So the settings take hold, and now when we go to create a branch, we can see the target branch is now listed with the issue key. So we will start with Gitlab, and we will create a branch there. So we will just go from the main branch, and we will put a suitable name. So for this, we'll just use Gitlab demo Jigit, being sure to include the issue key. We will click OK. And as we can see, our branch has now been created down here in the bottom right. So if we click this link, it should take us directly to our branch in Gitlab, as we can see here. So we will go back to Jira and create a new branch. This time we will create a branch in Github, and we will go from main again, once more providing a suitable name. And once more, we can see our branch has been created, and if we click this link, it will take us directly to GitHub, where we can see the branch that was just created. So the last step is to create a branch for Azure DevOps. So for Azure DevOps, we have set it up as a group rather than a repository, and that's why we have a few different options. So we will select this. Again, just create a branch from main, once more providing a suitable name, just to differentiate. And if we click OK, we should create another branch for ADO. Once more, if we click this, it brings us to Azure DevOps, and we can see our newly created branch right here. And that is a simple and straightforward demonstration on how to create branches using Jigit. Thanks.